Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make rolled bread using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 packet of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of warm water, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Accurate measurements are key for perfect bread, so take your time. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. Then, slowly pour in the warm water and olive oil, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn this mixture onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough vigorously for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and wonderfully elastic. After kneading, lightly grease a large bowl and place your dough inside, turning it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 to 1.5 hours, or until it has doubled in size. Gently punch down the risen dough, then divide it into 12 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a smooth, round roll. Now, arrange your beautifully shaped rolls on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving a little space between each. Cover them loosely and let them undergo their second rise for about 30 to 45 minutes, until they look noticeably puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the rolls for about 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown and smell absolutely irresistible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.